Let's learn how to see Instagram stories without them knowing. If you want to view someone's story without them knowing you've seen it, but don't know how, you don't need to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. I'll show you 4 ways to do this. The first way is to open the Instagram app. When you open Instagram, you'll see the stories at the top. You need to find the story of a person that is next to the story of the person whose story you want to see without them knowing. When you open that story, swipe like I'm doing, but don't swipe all the way. That was the first way. The second way is to open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. When you do this, you need to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on airplane mode. Once you've done this, you can open the story of that person and they won't see that you've viewed it. Now, before you turn Wi-Fi back on, close Instagram completely in this way. After doing this, you can turn Wi-Fi back on and turn off airplane mode. That was the second way. The third way is to first open the web browser of your choice. When you do this, you need to type in Anonymous Story Viewer. When you type this in, you need to click on the first link that pops up. When you click on that link, you need to enter the account name of that person. Note that this only works on profiles that are not private. If the account is private, this method won't work. The fourth way is to first open Instagram. When you open Instagram, you need to hold down on the profile icon at the bottom right. When you hold it, switch to a fake account if you have one or create a new one. When you switch to that account, follow that person, and then you can view their story and they won't know it's you. These were the 4 ways you can view someone's story without them knowing. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.